Let's dive into the implementation. So now we have ActivePresenter installed in our system. If you don't have a sample PPT, then you can start a blank project. I have a sample presentation, so I will continue with import PowerPoint. Then select your PPT, then click open. Now the presentation is imported successfully. You can see the time duration of each slide on the upper left corner. By default, it's 3 seconds. You can change this by increasing or decreasing the slide timeline. Now let's add audio. Go to the Insert tab, then click Audio. Now you have 3 options. If you already have a recorded audio, then choose from Files. If you want to create new audio file, then choose Create New. Or you can add System Audio. I am going to create a new audio file. Now the property menu appears on the right side. For recording audio, we need to calibrate our mic. First connect your mic or earphones to the system. Let's click on the Calibrate input, then Auto Calibrate. Now you can start recording by clicking on the red button. Now you can see your slide duration automatically changes to the audio length. You can preview the slide by clicking on the green play button. If you don't want to record your voice, don't worry. You can use a text-to-speech option. Just type your text and then click Generate. It's super easy. Similarly, you can add audios for all slides. We will see how we can add animations in the next video. If you have any question, let us know in the comments. Otherwise, let's keep going.